Samsung isn't saying publicly when it plans to release the Galaxy S9, but it's apparently told its accessory maker partners. And now one of them has revealed the Korean tech giant's plans. Speaking to serial leaker EvLeaks recently, a C-level executive at a major casemaker said that Samsung is planning to unveil the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus on February 26. The company will then start offering pre-orders on March 1 and will start selling the handsets on March 16, according to EvLeaks, whose report was earlier reported on by SamMobile. Citing its own sources, SamMobile also claims the Galaxy S9 line will hit store shelves on March 16. Samsung's mobile chief DJ Ko said last week that his company would unveil the Galaxy S9 line at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona next month. He didn't say when the devices might hit store shelves. Traditionally, Samsung has used the day before Mobile World Congress kicks off to unveil its new Galaxy handsets. The move gives Samsung the opportunity to preempt announcements from other handset makers and ultimately steal the spotlight. The company would then release its new smartphones in the ensuing weeks. However, this year, MWC kicks off on February 26 and ends on March 1. So it appears this time around that Samsung wants to bookend the show with its own news. If and when the Galaxy S9 hits store shelves, it's expected to come with only minor design upgrades over last year's model. Samsung will make up for that with more power, thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chip, as well as a new dual-aperture camera and perhaps a dual-lens shooter on the rear of the Galaxy S9 Plus. The company might also unveil new Bixby software that relies on artificial intelligence to provide more contextual information to users. It's expected that Samsung's Assistant will play a larger role in the S9's interface. But until then, expect the rumors to keep streaming in. By Emhape Tech.